Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off by stretching my wig up because it was tight as hell for no reason. Then I put the wig on and I was just feeling the hair and where I wanted to put my part. After that, I moved on to putting foundation on my wig cap and my wig itself. I made sure the foundation is even on the wig and then I blow dry it a little bit. So I didn't do a bald cap like I usually do because the wig I had before broke me out on my hairline. Y'all can still see the fresh bumps. And until this day, I don't know what causes that. So if y'all know, let me know in the comments, please. But yeah, that usually only happens when I do a bald cap. So right now I am cutting my wig on the sides so it can fit my ears. This step is so important, y'all. This helps prevent a lot of lifting on the sides and helps your wig to lay on your head like God himself put it there. You see how good it looks? Bomb. Also, let's get into this perfectly customized lace. Like, hello? Please go watch my previous video, ma'am. Because I did that, period. After cutting the extra side lace, I'm going to melt this lace into my skin. But first, I'm going to make 3 sections. This technique is perfect for beginners because you focus on one section at a time instead of trying to do the whole thing at the same time. And to lay this wig, I am going to use Ebine lace spray. I love how this product literally makes your lace disappear. And it lasts up to a whole week if you properly take care of your install. Like, got to be, could never. This wig's lace isn't the thinnest, but I have to say that it lays and melts so beautifully. Shout out to BLACKMOON. This bob is beautiful, easy to install and maintain per silkiest bob ever, period. I left all the hair details on the screen so you guys can have more information about the hair I'm installing, but I also put the links to BLACKMOON's website and the exact link to this hair on my description box. So make sure you check it out if you're interested in this hair, which is a really nice hair in my opinion. But pretty much this is a silky straight bob wig with a 13 by 4 inches lace front and 150% of density. I received the 14 inches one and it cost about $144. I chose to do a middle part because why now? I left me a middle part. Then I had combed the hair a little bit to make sure the top it's on flat. To cut the extra lace, I used a little eyebrow razor thingy and cut as close to the hairline as possible. I gotta be extra careful with this thing because I've cut myself a few times already. After I'm done with that, I use my finger and the metal part of my small comb to literally apply the smallest amount of lace spray to the parts that to the parts of the lace that kind of lifted when I was cutting it. And then I took out my sideburns and decided not to do baby hairs for this wig because it simply looked bomb.com the way it was. It was so clean and so fresh. I just loved it. After all that melt, I went over with the same brush I applied the foundation on my wig cap and my wig with, and I wrapped my wig with my elastic band. After a few minutes, I removed my elastic band and laid my sideburns down with some extreme gel. That's my favorite gel. And pretty much that was all. Just a quick bomb install. Look at that melt, baby. Like, I kept looking at myself and saying, I actually did it myself. Yeah. The hair is really pretty. I did some extra customization with some mascara and concealer, and pretty much that was it. This hair is really beautiful, and I really hope you guys find this video helpful. I tried to keep it as simple as possible and just show how this hair, it's perfectly easy to install, how silky it is, and how easy to beginners this application can be using just the e-band spray and little to no products. I left all the details about this wig on my description box and a link to BLACKMOON hair online store, and you guys can go ahead and check it out. Let me know in the comments what you think. Check out my social accounts, Instagram and TikTok, so we can keep in touch, and I see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.